Yeah, so we're gonna do a let's play again. Why am I underwater nurse? So we're finishing our mine. So it's called Mines of Cobblestone. You see it, episode 2, part 2. So yeah, so let's go. I'm all alone. That's awesome. Good, that's awesome. So there are new changes about here. I know not changes. Okay, let's get this. So, of course. Awesome, right? There's a secret about here. See, let's hard that. There or no? There. A bit laggy. That's the 2 miles. That is the entrance. So that's not it. I'm gonna do it again. So when I'm gonna do it in off screen, that will be, I don't know, boring and no lag. And no lag means awesome. And this video includes commentary. Come on, we see gravel now. This is not a short video, but 17. Not 17, not yeah, 17. 10 or so this is be a boring episode for mining. So I'm gonna say stuff and yeah, let's go. So you can visit this server in 9.5. That'll be so awesome. So that'll be 9.5. The server name is partycraft.typo. I'll never be there because I left there. There the server is new. So it's partycraft.typo. That typo. Okay. And the server address is typo.che dot potpotc dot net. Easy. Port 191332. So yeah, that's the port. So just chill this out. So let's think about the story. God, my throat. Okay, let's talk about the story. First. Okay. Let me think a story. This story called The Cursed Mine. And never mind. Yes, not just say stories. Let's just say servers. Yeah, servers. More awesome. So this server is like a little bit awesome, but it's made your craft. I don't know the port yet and the server address yet. You can search it. Oh, you can search it. Just search. Oh my. Search it. www.packetservers.com. That'll be like in the description below. So there's so many servers there. Choose your country like USA, China, Philippines, and anyways, Czech Republic and Poland, anything. Great. So yeah, no coal na iron, that's this is
Ba, ang galing mo yan ah. Wala akong extra pan ah. Ha? Sige. Remote. Yan. Ito pala ito. Ito. Pinuntahan ko. Ang gawin mo daw siya. Wala rin lang kita. Catering. Tapos, sabi niya, sabi ko, konti lang naman yun. Konti, tapos kung gano'n ko, ano, sandamo ka na naman. Kasi reklamo.
God. Hey, there's a place. So I'm back. Noisy shit. Oh, this would be my storage room. That'd be awesome. This is the storage room. Oh no, don't want. This would be my storage room. So I need to find wood. Hey. Shh. Okay, let's go find some wood. Three of these. And a sword. Let go. No! Stone axe. Oh shit, nighttime. Shit. It's not that's bad with that furnace. Let's go. Collect some wood. That's my cobblestone trail to my I'm gonna find some caves. I'm gonna find one. Need more wood. Just little bit wood because there'll be like wait guys. Three double chests. So yeah, I'm gonna make a new mine that is so big that it needs double chest to that cobblestone also, yeah, and iron too. So yeah, my mines. So this I have a loud voice now. Awesome. Pickaxe. Just I have enough shit. They like This is the right chest. This is the right fucking chest. Oh shit. That's the bug. The pickaxes. Okay, let's go to our chest room. Hey. God. Hey. 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 Here. Here. Yay. 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 The middle. Lowell. Dirt, cobblestone, ores. So yeah. Where's my cobble? Where's my cobble? Where's my cobble? So yeah. So yeah. Times now.
Dede.
Oh. Wanna join NTCs? Join NTCs team? Well, subscribe! If you subscribe, you should be joining guys. Appreciate this. Yeah.
Wait.
So bye guys and see you next time.